Okay, so let's say I wanted to like calculate my grade that I wanted to get on a third test. If I've got a class and I've only got 3 tests to take, and I've got 2 out of 3 finished. So let's say I got an 80% on one test, and let's say I got like a 78% on another test, and let's say I haven't taken my third test yet. And let's say overall, let's say I want to get at least a 76%, okay? So what you would do in that situation is you would take 80 plus 78 plus x, and you have 3 of them. Now this only works if all 3 tests have equal value. It's a little more complicated if they don't. Actually, well, no, it's not super complicated. But first of all, make sure that you're doing this in percents, and then this will be a percent. And they should all be of equal value. And since there's 3 of them, I'm going to divide by 3. And let's say overall I want to make sure I get at least a 76%. And just because we're doing inequalities, let's say that I want this score that I get to be greater than 76, okay? Or you could do greater than or equal to, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to solve this by multiplying both sides by 3. So that goes away. And then I do 76 times 3. So 76 times 3 is 228. Whoops, I guess I don't need that anymore. So then on the other side, I don't have a fraction anymore. I've got 80 plus 78 plus x. And then I have to subtract both of these here. You could combine them first and then subtract, or you could subtract each one separately. I'll just combine them first. So 80 plus 78, that's going to give me 158 plus x. I want that to be greater than 228. And then I subtract 158. So that goes away. And 228 minus 158 is 70. So x, the score that I'm looking for, has to be greater than 70.